Hey guys, what is up? My name is Shaun Roselt and welcome to my HTML5 and CSS3 video series. So in this video we are going to be looking at styling CSS links. Okay, so I have already created free links here to free search engines and I've given an ID for it. I've also gone and I've styled the general anchor element here to look like that. Then we're gonna go and style each and one of them now as well. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so there's some things I would like for you guys to look at. Let's actually add another one. Now that I think of it, let's add Yahoo. Okay, so there are four things we're going to be looking at now. Those four things are different ways to style different states of a link. Okay, so the first one is you basically add a colon of the element selector. So we're gonna say hover. So basically, as soon as something is hovering on this tag, it's gonna run the code here. So when something is hovering over it, we just want to change the background color now to, for instance, what can we change it to? Let's use a light color. I think orange is fine. Okay, let's save. So when we hover over Google now, you'll see the background color changes to orange, because every time we hover over Google, the background color changes to orange. But when we are not hovering, the background color is aqua. Okay, and we can do the same for the other ones as well. I'm just not going to do that right now. Okay, actually let's do that, or will we? I think actually let's do it a bit different. Okay, we're gonna select the general anchor element, so when we hover over all of them, this will happen. Okay, then the next one is a visited. You can see it applies once the link has been visited by a user. Okay, let's change the actually for this one we want the color to change to red. Okay, so when a user has visited one of these, the color will be red. For instance, let's go visit Bing. Okay, we have now visited Bing. Let's go back. Now Bing is red, as you can see. Okay, the reason why I did actually go to Bing is because I have it like this. If you, for instance, add your HTTP, then you'll actually see it go to Bing and those search engines. Let's click on Bing. So now it's actually going to Bing. Okay, let's go back. Go to Bing. Okay, I think it's because Bing is an external page. So if it's an internal page, then it will work. Okay. So in this case, it's internal, so that works now. So keep that in mind. There has to be an internal page, meaning a page you created inside of your structure. Okay. So the next one is a link. So the link applies to links that have not yet been visited. Okay, so when we haven't yet visited a link, let's say we want the color then to be green. Okay, so we haven't yet visited these links. That's simple. The next one is a active. This applies while an element is being activated by the user. Okay, so for instance, let's choose a background color here. Background color, what color? Let's make it black. Okay, so when we click on an element, like click on it, it changes black. and when we let go, it changes, well, then it goes to it. Okay, so when we click on something, it changes black for that short while. Guys, so that's basically it. I just wanted to show you guys how to change how links work and look. And this doesn't have to be links. You can also do it. You can also do this hover, for instance with other elements. Let's go here and for instance add a just normal div tag here. Okay, div tag. You can go here and install the div tag with for instance of 500 pixels and a height of 500 pixels, and let's give the background color of blue. Okay, so when we hover over this div, for instance, hover, let's just make the background color pink. Okay, so as you can see, it all, okay, that's not looking nice. That's a bit too big. Let's make it 100 pixels. Let's give it clear both, and let's also give it in a margin top of 50 pixels. Okay, so when we hover over this div, it also changes the color. Pink is not a very nice color to use. Let's use gray. As you can see, okay, so it doesn't have to be a link. It can also be other elements. So yes guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!